This is how New Englanders work out the winter. Oh my Lord. Got a little bit of snow here. It's not even high tide yet. We've got about 3 hours until high tide. And the water is already about 2 feet from the wall.
Yeah.
There's Boston. That's in town, 26 inches. At the airport, about 21 inches. Framingham, the big one, at 31.5 inches. And the snow is not over. Blizzard warning remains for parts of New England. We'll let you know.
So my husband has created a path down to the beach. You know, originally when he started doing this days ago when it was snowing, it was so that people could continue to walk their dogs down. To have this many waves. Oh look, there's an iceberg floating out now. Oh my. I'm here semi-indoors in my sunroom. Had to give my camera a break because it was freezing and covered in snow. But as you can see, our house is right on the seawall here. We've got a smaller set of waves in at the moment, but it is high tide. The waves are crashing onto our house, and then some, to say the least.